The Oxpecker is part of a feathered cleanup crew that keeps parasite populations in check and acts as an early warning system against predators. The red-billed oxpecker spends its days perched on the hides of large mammals across the Kruger National Park, gobbling up ticks, horseflies, and other insects that infest its host. There are few limits to an oxpecker's inspection. Every orifice is important in this full physical examination. One oxpecker can eat up to 400 ticks a day. Their voracious appetite could be keeping parasite populations in check, since one female bond tick can produce 18,000 eggs in a lifetime. The oxpecker's efforts help fight the battle against parasite-borne diseases. Once feeding opportunities on one host have been exhausted, the crew catches a bush taxi to the next client. But recent studies show that these birds also have a darker side. In mass, oxpeckers can be a nuisance. These birds have a taste for blood and will peck at open wounds to keep them flowing. These wounds are painful and easily infected, and weakened animals are first choice for predators. As research reveals their true colors, it is becoming apparent that oxpeckers may be both a blessing and a burden to Africa's herbivores.